Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Sign into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox and on the Xbox app for PC. Once done, place both devices on the same local network. 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet gives the best results. Make sure console streaming is enabled on the Xbox under Settings, Devices and Connections, Remote Features. This allows your Xbox to accept local stream connections. Now power state matters. Set the Xbox to sleep or instant on so it can accept remote play. Next, open the Xbox app on your PC and go to the Consoles section. The app will detect your Xbox automatically or let you add its local IP. Once found, select the console and choose Stream. This starts a real-time video feed from the Xbox to your PC. Adjust stream quality to match your bandwidth. Choose a lower resolution if latency spikes. Use a wired controller or pair the Xbox wireless adapter for reliability. When the feed starts, you're playing Xbox games on your PC via local streaming. To finish, confirm controls and latency by navigating fast menus. If input lag is noticeable, switch to wired Ethernet and lower stream resolution. If the app can't find the console, reboot router, Xbox, and PC in that order. Also check Windows firewall rules and close heavy background uploads. Make sure the Xbox remains in an instant on power mode so it can wake for streaming. If you need to play away from home, use the Xbox remote play option. But on local networks, streaming via the Xbox app is the most reliable method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.